Hi everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to day 14 of the 30-day Pilates and Yoga Challenge. Today we're doing a HIIT routine, and as you can see, we're already starting with some heel lifts. Lift and stretch. Lift on your tippy toes, lower down, lift and hold for a sec, and lower down. Make sure your body is ready for today's workout. It's gonna be a burning one. We're gonna do some isometric holds as well. The isometric hold, as you can see now, we are holding on the tippy toes. It's a little bit challenging for the balance. I need to find my balance better. But holding in this position is gonna be the intensity interval. The intense interval is in the hold. We're gonna really challenge ourselves. We're gonna hold. Stay there. On your tippy toes. Find your balance and now lower down. Okay. Now chair squat and lift up. Squat down, lift up. Make sure your knees are just above your ankles, or just don't let your knees move in front of your toes. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Make sure your back, or especially your lower back, is flat. So tuck the pelvis in when you do the chair squat and breathe. And now hold the isometric hold. We're gonna hold in almost, I think, every single exercise. We're gonna have an isometric hold. Hold here and breathe. Squeeze your legs together. Stay with me. And lift up. Okay, nicely done. Now squat. And lift up. Squat down, extend arms forward. Make sure your feet are hip-width distance apart. Breathe and stay here, stay with me. And now hold the isometric hold. We're doing 20 reps of each exercise and then followed by a hold. Hold there. I want you to hold in the lowest position possible. Make sure your thighs are burning. We want that burning sensation. We want to hold and breathe. But don't hold the breath. Just keep breathing. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. Okay, rise up. Now it's time for some sumo squats or some pliés. Wide stand, toes out, drop bottom down, squeeze at the top. We're doing 20 reps here. Stay with me. Just keep going. I know it is hard. I know your legs are burning. That's the point. And now hold the isometric hold. Stay with me, stay with me. And up, nicely done. Okay, now we are doing knee extensions. So of course I'm starting with my left leg, so I'm doing my balance on my right leg and extending the left knee forward and bend. It's just knee extension, no other movements. Make sure you don't lock the other knee. Keep breathing. You can keep your toes pointed. Stay with me. And now hold. Hold, hold, hold. And release. I must admit this one was really hard. Now let's do the other leg. 20 reps. Oops, I lost my balance. Yep, on my left leg. I'm way more wobbly. And now hold. Hold here. Oops, and that was good. Now we're gonna move to the next one. We're doing side leg lifts. Find your balance on your right leg, and with the left one goes up and lower, up and lower with control. 20 reps. My legs are on fire. But still, my favorite part of this routine is actually when we hold that isometric contraction. And now hold and breathe. Keep squeezing the legs, squeezing the thighs, engaging the core just a little bit more. And release. Nicely done. Okay, moving to the other side. The other leg, same exercise. With control. And now hold. Hold, hold, hold. Almost there. And rest. Okay, moving to the last exercise. We'll be doing the single leg warrior tree, or actually it's like a deadlift, the single leg deadlift. So it's hinge from the hip on one leg, finding the balance. And oh no, I thought we are gonna hold now. Now we're gonna hold. Now we're gonna hold. Okay. Hold and breathe. In that airplane pose or T pose or warrior tree. You can even extend your arms forward, and nicely done. Now we're gonna repeat the same move for the other side, the other leg. 20 reps. Here we go. Find your balance. It's a little bit tricky, a little bit challenging, but you've got this. We've got this. Oops. Just keep trying, keep doing your best. And now hold and breathe. Almost there. And rest. Nicely done. Okay, take your time, stretch a little bit. Thank you so much for joining me today. Go enjoy your day, be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.